Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the texture section of the 11 Plus Music Aptitude test, a section many find to be the most challenging. If you haven't already watched the texture tutorial, I highly recommend checking it out first. In that video, I break down the essentials of this section and share strategies to help you identify individual notes in chords more effectively. If you're already familiar with the texture section or have seen the tutorial, great! Stick around because this video is loaded with extra practice exercises to help you sharpen your skills. Here's a quick recap of how the texture section works. You'll hear a chord consisting of 2, 3 or 4 notes played at the same time, and your task is to determine how many notes you heard. Your options are 2, 3 or 4. A couple of quick tips before we start. Focus on the lowest note and the highest note first. Try to sing them out either out loud or in your head. Could you hear the top and bottom notes distinctly, or was there something in between interrupting them? If the sound feels unclear, blurred or blended, it's likely to be 3 or 4 notes. Don't overthink it though. Allow your brain to quickly sing back what it heard and trust your ears. Now let's get started. I'll play 20 exercises, and after each one you'll have a 5-second pause to think and answer. The correct answer will appear right after the pause. Let's begin with exercise number 1. So, how did you find these exercises? Were the chords quite tricky for you? If so, feel free to watch and listen to the sounds again. And don't forget to allow your ears and your brain to work together and hear the individual notes very quickly in your mind before you answer. Trust your ears to help you identify these different frequencies or layers of sounds when you hear a chord played. If you would like to see more videos like this, let us know in the comments and share your ideas with us. We're here to create resources and videos that support you on your musical journey. The more specific your suggestions, the better. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends who are also preparing for this test. Keep up the great work, stay creative, and see you next time.